Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling with Stone. So today is going to be just a regular makeup tutorial showing you how I got this look here. Nothing too fancy, but the star of the show is going to be this Maybelline The City Mini palette that I've been using lately. It is so cute, small, compact, and to the point, y'all. Has all these cute colors you can use. I picked it up actually because what had became one of my favorite palettes. I have two favorite palettes. And the one that had become my favorite palette is the City Mini palette by Maybelline, but it's the Makeup Shayla one. So it has a little bit deeper colors. It had like a dark rusted brown that I used every last bit of it. I used to wear like a smoky brown every day. And it was like the perfect smoky, like reddish brown. A beautiful gold, black, a bronzy gold, and a shimmery purple, like in a nude color. I love this palette. I was using it every day at one point. So when I saw this palette here that just had like just a neutral tones, I said, okay, let's see how it goes. The way I feel about it, honestly, some of the colors are a bit chalky, like dusty, when you know how you can use some drugstore brands, even not drugstore, sometimes when you use the formula, it's kind of chalky, dusty. The colors don't show up as bold and kind of fall off. That's the kind of what I got out of this one. The Makeup Shayla one was a little bit better of a quality. It was more pigmented. It wasn't really chalky. The colors went on great. That other one that I'm using today, little chalky, but I mean, it still did the trick. I still got a nice simple eye. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I have already color corrected using the MAC Prep and Prime color corrector, and it's in the color Peach Luster. So this right here, for some reason I've been breaking out a lot. I'm not sure why, maybe stress, but yeah, I've been picking at it. It's created these dark marks. So for foundation today, I am gonna go in with the Molly foundation. I am just about out of this. This is my favorite foundation when I want to have a natural look, like look more like skin and not makeup, like a really natural look. Still flawless, but more like skin. One pump is all you need. For some people, if you already have like flawless skin, you probably don't even need a whole pump. But if you're trying to have coverage, one pump will do your whole face. You'll be good with one pump. It's Valentine's Day. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day, if anything? How do y'all feel about Valentine's Day? I hope you guys get everything your heart desires. If not, I hope you guys have peace with whatever is going on in your situation and just know that it's okay. Just know that nothing is as deep as we think it is oftentimes. Just know that. Speaking of Valentine's Day, I'm the type of person that likes to wear my makeup how I want to wear my makeup. Although, like, if I'm like on a date or something, I don't wear as heavy of makeup. So, for instance, that full-on beat Kat Von D Lock-It foundation type makeup look, Instagram makeup, I would never wear that on a date. There's nothing wrong with it. Y'all know I love a good beat, but I just feel like looking more like you, looking more like skin, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. So I do see a little tiny bit of my blemishes even through the color corrector. So I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the color 385 just to go over those couple little spots. For concealer to highlight, I'm going to use another Fenty concealer, and this is in 360. And I'm just going to blend this out with just a regular basic cosmetic sponge. For cream contour, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Chestnut. To set my under eye and do a little reverse contour, I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. For brows, I'm going to use the Milani Stay Put Brow Color in 03 Medium Brown. So it's one of these little brow gels. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the City Mini Palette from Maybelline. It's the one that has just like earth tones, like warm earth tones. So just like blush colors, pink, soft brown, chocolate, and one gold. I'm gonna mix the chocolate in that light brown color, almost like between a brown and a blush, and blend that in my crease. And then I'm gonna take the light pink color and pack that on my lid. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use the Inglot Gel Liner number 77. For lashes, of course, I'm going to be using Socialite Mink Lash in the style Day Party. So these are the lashes that give you that spiky look, you guys. So nice, and they last so many uses. It's ridiculous. I love them. So I'm going to put the link in the description box, you guys, to be notified when the lashes launch, because they have not launched yet. But it's gonna be soon. I've worn this particular pair maybe about 8 or 9 times so far. Let me bring it in so you guys can really see these lashes. Hold on. This is the style Day Party that has that signature spiky look, like the spacey look. They're so perfect. I like them for more, I'm not gonna say pastel-y, but those lighter looks. See how I have the light pink and a sort of lighter medium brown in the crease, rather than, say for instance, you wear like a dark smoky eye that, you know, you wouldn't necessarily be able to see the spikiness because, you know, the dark background kind of drowns them out. So this is perfect for those who, those times where you want to wear sort of a lighter eye, nothing too serious or dramatic. For mascara, I'm going to use the Big Colossal Shot Makeup Shayla mascara. To set my entire face, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder in the color Dark. Powder contour, I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion Palette, the medium to dark one, and use these two mixed together. For highlighting, I'm going to go in with a highlighter that I haven't used in a very long time, you guys. And this is the highlighter by, it's been so long that the name, I want to say it's Milani. I think it's Milani. This big one, y'all know this thick one at Walgreens. I think it's Milani. It is Milani in 01 Fantastic in Gold. So it just twists open, and it's a beautiful, like, two-tone gold color. Don't you just love when you rediscover something that you used to use all the time and then you just jump to something else and then you revisit it and you're like, oh, wow, where have you been all my life? For lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the color Precious and top it with Iman Nude Lipstick by Iman. For liner, I'm going to use the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in the color Coco Loco. So I went ahead and added just a basic, one of those cheap NYX glosses in the color Ballerina Pink. I added that on top for some added shine. And that's it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave it down below. I will leave the link to the website SOCIALITE MINK Lashes, which is my new lash line that I am launching very soon. So when you click on the link, it's going to ask for your email. That way you can be notified when it launches. So again, I'm wearing the style Day Party. So until next time, you guys, thank you so much for rolling with Stone.